Hey guys, hey girls, hey everyone. So during the course, we face a problem. First of all, you should be very comfortable with that if you wanna how to know how to program it to work if you computer code. That's how computer code. I mean, things just work nice when you are teaching. When you have a book, when you have a course, the instructor or the author is going to expand maybe month, try to make everything work as smooth as you want. So your learning process can be very nice. But however, in real life, thing does not work as you want. So it happens. It happens all the time, this kind of problem. And the good news that once you start to learn Angular, for example, the mistakes start to be predictable. So it took me a little bit of patience to find a mistake, but I didn't find a mistake on the internet. It took me my experience to actually solve the problem. So the problem that when you try to, I wanted to show you guys a trick. I want to show you that every image supposed to be transformed in a stack of feature. So every image is transformed into a stack of feature by mobile net. So the image is transformed into a couple of features. That's the point. I want to show you that point. That after that, this kind of feature was used to train the classifier. But classifier was not using the image. It was used a couple of feature. I want to show you how it works. So sadly, we find this kind of mistake here. Wow, this kind of mistake here. That's very sad. I mean, whenever I see this red stuff, that's very sad. So the solution the first solution I would do is to place that on Google to find a kind of solution. So I did that, as you can see. I placed on Google a huge amount of solution. As most of the time I can find solutions Stack Overflow. Sometimes I use ChatGPT now. Now I like to use ChatGPT. But this kind of solution is, I'm not sure that ChatGPT will be able to solve, but you can try. For example, if you go here, ChatGPT, you can always. ChatGPT has been very useful. I'm using TensorFlow.js in Angular, and when you're using mobile net, I have found the error. I'm not sure that in this case ChatGPT will be able to solve because, sorry, I made a mistake. I found the error. Yes, sorry. Because error, that bug, general, it means that it's supposed not to be updated. ChatGPT has a limit of knowledge. But let's see what it says. Yes, the ChatGPT gives the solution that you have on Stack Overflow, but that's not the solution. In this case, the same solution of Stack Overflow. Maybe that's not the best solution. I think I have tried solution in the past, it didn't work. So the solution, I hope you tried yourself, is somehow simple, but it takes a little bit of experience. Most of the time you have this kind of error, they are version error. When they change the version, something crash. Because if you come here to the package.json, you can see the version of your mobile net here. But it's not always the case that the version is compatible. When I'm using, if you see how we installed using force, like force, because it's not working very well. Force means that you are neglecting some conflict. So that's the price of force. When you force, the idea is just not to use force to install, but most of the time you have to use force. The price of force is precisely that you do not know how things are going to work. They may crash. That's what happened. So the solution is somehow simple. I tried to go backward. Then I was able to see that the best solution for that was this one. It was this. I just went backward. Most of the time, the good news is that most of the time this kind of error is going to happen precisely because of the crash between versions. So if you come here and you update, it's supposed to work as expected. That's the point. That's the good news, that you can actually. The bad news that most of the time it's possible to not have the latest version on your belt. Yeah, now it worked. So I see 1,000 feature. That's what I expect. So I hope that helps.